this is Tom Bray with ASI. Some of the things we've done for the water treatment plant is kind of threefold. One is fueling control. They were having loss of fuel, and with our systems it actually logs in who is fueling, how many gallons are being received, what vehicle it's going into. And to get to these fuel tanks you actually have to go through a gate that has access control on it. Put in your 4-digit code, lets you in the gate, then you can go up to the fueling station, prox in, and fuel your vehicle. Also, long distance cameras. This camera right here, we're looking 700 feet across an evaporation pond, looking to a highway on the other side, where we've actually been able to catch some folks dumping trash. And that was investigated by, was that the Federal Bureau or
DNR?
DNR. Okay,
Yeah.
so it was actually a federal offense. They were dumping trash in the river.
Right.
So that was a pretty big deal. And as you can see right here, we're also viewing some tanks that store hazardous materials. Very important that we keep an eye on those in case somebody might get in and tamper with that kind of thing. We are at the main gate, and as the drivers come in, there are multiple different vehicles that come in here. Some are water treatment trucks, some are waste disposal trucks, service trucks for the city. And as they come in, they can actually prox right in using their prox key. When they do that, it identifies them, their vehicle, and at the same time, you're being videoed. If you need to talk to somebody inside, you have an audio track here, just push and communicate. They can actually key you in if you don't have a prox. If I come up, Tom Bray, I need in, they're going to let me in from inside, from the office area. If you have a prox key, you're going to let yourself in all at the same time. As you see, the gating system that we put in is completely automated. It can also be programmed to automatically open at a certain time of the day at 4:30 or 5 o'clock, automatically close. Or if it's an emergency situation, it can be closed all day, and of course everybody would have to prox in as they come to the gate. As you can see here on the ground, we have safety loops that is allowing that will not allow the gate to close while there's a vehicle in the road. Also electric eyes on the gate, so if someone's walking through the gate, it's not going to close on someone and hurt them or damage anything. So that's some of the things we've done here at the water treatment plant. Hey Jake, we're at the fueling station now, and it's a fuel force unit. When you come up, you actually prox in. It's going to identify you as, in this case, would be Tom. I would put in my code, my vehicle number, then it would allow me to start pumping. If I don't have the right prox or the right number or the right vehicle code, it's not going to allow me to pump any fuel out of this station. So that's going to save them a lot of money. In the past, they've been losing several gallons of fuel, more than a couple. And so it saves them thousands of dollars per year with this and keeps everybody accountable.